I'm already seeing the bottom of this. The guy in Sephora put it on my skin and it looked so beautiful, but it was 5,000 rupees. What it really feels like. But since we're on the topic of Sangeet, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. If you're wondering why I'm set up like this, it's because I'm going to be getting ready in this video to film a bunch of other videos for you guys. So I thought I'll just sit down, chit chat a bit, and also show you a few things that I got during the Black Friday sale. It's all makeup products, so if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to start by prepping my skin. Obviously, I've already used a toner and serum, and now I'm going in with my Innisfree green tea seed cream. So this is literally the only moisturizer I have been using for so long. They had also sent me their volcanic, I forgot what it was called. There was like this other moisturizer that they sent me, which was like a mattifying one, and I really liked that as well, but somehow I found myself gravitating back towards this moisturizer. I feel like it works really well for me. I have combination skin type, so my T-zone gets a bit oily. Now that my skin is prepped, I'm also going to moisturize my lips because, man, trust me, this weather right now is just insane. It's been raining in December for the last few days. I don't know what's going on. And it's cold in Bombay because of the rain, not because it's December, which is just weird. But that's making my lips very dry. So I've been using this Forest Essentials lip balm. I've literally hit pan on this, which is, I always hear, people talking about hitting pan, and here it is. I'm already seeing the bottom of this. In other news, it's my very, very good friend's wedding next week, which I am so excited about. And that is part of the reason why I bought all these makeup products. Alright, so starting off with foundation. So when I did a poll on Instagram, a lot of girls recommended this to me. This is by Estee Lauder. It's the Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. I am in the shade Ecru. Let me just show you. That's my shade over here. This is a pricey foundation, but I think Estee Lauder had like a 20% off, so then I thought now would be the best time to get it. And especially because I have the wedding coming up, I felt like I would really need these products as well, and I thought it was time to invest in a good foundation. I also went ahead and got their concealer. This is what it looks like. It's called the Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. This is, I'm in the shade 2W Light Medium. Invested in a primer from Smashbox. This is really tiny, but this was, I think, 990 rupees or something. I don't own a primer, but I do have a lot of pores on my nose especially. So I've got this from Smashbox. It's the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which I'm going to be using under my base. Then I also did get the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade Light 15. This is something that I've heard so many beauty gurus rave about. They say that it's one of the best like drugstore products when it comes to loose finishing powder. So I went ahead and got that. This was super inexpensive. This was like 695 rupees. So very happy with that purchase. Then I realized that my face looks so flat because I don't own a bronzer. So then I went ahead and I got one for myself. This one's from MAC. It's their bronzing powder. There was one by Estee Lauder as well, which, like that, the guy in Sephora put it on my skin and it looked so beautiful, but it was 5,000 rupees, and I was like, there is no way I'm going to get my money's worth because I won't use it. So then I got this from MAC for just a little over half the price, I guess. This is what it looks like. Such a beautiful shade. It looks really nice and warm. I don't know if इसमें shade लिखा हुआ होता है क्या? Oh, it's the matte bronze bronzing powder. So this is the one that I went for. Now moving on to lips, I got two lipsticks basically. One is from Smashbox. This is the Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Gulabi. It's so beautiful. I think I should do a swatch right over here. You see that color? It's so beautiful, so pretty. I think it's just going to go with everything. I just kept looking at the shade, like it looks so beautiful. I think it will flatter like literally all Indian skin types. Really love it. This is one that I got, and the second one I got is from MAC. This is their Love Me liquid lip color. Love the packaging, so pretty. This is the shade Bated Breath. This also I really like. Now this consistency is a little bit different. I'm not the right person to tell you about what it really feels like, but I mean, it just, how do I say it? This feels creamier, almost waxier than the other one. I'm so bad at doing swatches, but okay, so this is like a really nice brick red kind of a color. I think this is going to go super well with my traditionals. So this entire week I'm going to be using these two shades, I'm pretty sure, on my lips. So yeah, these have been the two purchases I made in terms of my lipsticks, and I think I only have one product left and then I'm done. And that is actually one that I didn't purchase, I got it free. So MAC had this offer wherein I think if you spend 3000 rupees या फिर हाँ शायद 3 or 5000 rupees you would get one free product, and I got a free blush which is so beautiful, guys. Like, look at this, it's such a nice dusty rose pink kind of a color. What is the exact shade? Oh, it's called Desert Rose. So that's the shade that I got it in. It's free. I got like a full, this is a full size product, right? Yeah, this doesn't look like a mini. Got a full size product from MAC for free, so I thought that was a great deal. And yeah, that's about it. And now I'm gonna get ready. For the first time in my entire life, I've ordered a venti sized coffee. I literally never do this, but pata nahi, aaj the weather's just been so off. I just haven't been able to function. So I went in with this primer. I really like how it looks. Obviously, I'm using an iPhone camera, so you probably can't see the difference at all, but I do feel like it's smoothened out my nose a lot where I have the most pores. Now I'm going to very quickly go in with this foundation. This is literally the first time I'm using it. Oh, it doesn't come with a pump. That I'm disappointed in. Matlab, now what, I have to pour out this product and then I hope I don't waste it. So I'm going to put very little amount. Is this considered little? I don't know. Wow. Are you seeing this? This looks so beautiful. Always remember your neck. So in other news, I'm pretty sure, I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been raving about this one outfit that I really wanted to wear for my friend Sangeet, which is in 3 days, literally in 3 days. I think by the time you all see this video, it will be time for her Sangeet already. So for those of you who don't know, I went into this shop, saw this outfit, which I loved so much. It was a little bit out of my budget at that point because I was already shopping for a few other things. So I didn't buy it. And then when I went back for it, a month later, they told me it was sold. And I asked them to make it for me again. So yesterday, I went and I got my outfit. Should I show you a sneak peek? Okay, I'll show you a sneak peek at the end of this video as soon as I'm done with my makeup. So if you're interested, then stay tuned for that. So I'm going to take a really small bit of concealer and just dab, 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 dab. It's got a blemish there. I think for me, the biggest sort of fear when it comes to foundation and concealer is when it starts to look really cakey and like you can see the product on your skin. Like, that's my biggest fear, especially during day events where you're getting so close to people and like literally the sun is not in your favor, it's shining on your face, giving away everything. Oh wow. Okay, I don't know. I don't think I've appreciated good makeup enough क्योंकि पहले तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था makeup के बारे में, अभी भी ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. But when I compare this to other foundations that I've tried, other concealers that I've tried, like I use the Fit Me one, right, which is also great, but this is so light, like so lightweight. I like how this is sitting on my skin. So now the plan for this week, it's going to be like a 4 days of events. So we're starting off with the Mehendi and Haldi, for which we are doing a dance. So we've got a girls dance during the Mehendi and Haldi, which I will hopefully be able to post a video of here so you can see it. That's going to be really fun. We've got this whole Lazim entry for the girls as well, so that's going to be nice. And then on Tuesday, which is the 7th, we have the Sangeet, which is the event I am probably most excited about. Tanvi, I'm so sorry. Wedding to hai hi, but it's the Sangeet that I'm looking forward to the most. We're doing another dance there, and I do have a surprise for Tanvi as well. So really excited for y'all to see that. I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs. There's going to be performance videos coming up and things like that, and I don't want fitness to sit in the back seat over here, so I'm actually getting ready to film a bunch of other informative videos for you, so you can sort of get some benefit out of that as well. That being said, I know you guys enjoy the vlogs a lot more. I get a lot more views there, so wo bhi aa raha hai. Now I'm going in with my, I forgot to set my face, loose translucent powder, and I believe this process is called baking. I think my base is pretty sorted right now. Really like how it looks. Since we're on the topic of Sangeet, I'm going to show you my outfit. Okay, actually I'm not going to show you the entire outfit. I'm going to show you a sneak peek, okay? And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure out the rest of the outfit once I describe it. So guys, drum roll please. This is the blouse of my Sangeet outfit. Now tell me this doesn't scream Sangeet to you. And I remember on Instagram I mentioned that it reminded me of You Are My Sonia ka, jisme Kareena Kapoor ne jo pehna hai. It's like an Indian version of that, but it can also be said to be like some version of the Dilli Wali Girlfriend outfit that Deepika Padukone wears. It's just so pretty. I love the color so much. I love all the work it has. I'm so excited to wear this. This is part of the reason I'm so excited for the Sangeet. Alright, now let's quickly get into brows. I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. I've been using this for a while now. So tonight, actually, we have like the grand rehearsal of the Sangeet. It's going to be so much fun because there are, I think, 12 or 13 groups that are performing, and they've got background dancers and stuff, so it's going to be really great. Now I'm going to very quickly do nothing crazy with my eyes. So this is also a tip that I found online, and they said that if you're in a rush and you really don't have the time to do like a full-fledged, like, what do you call it, like really intricate eye makeup, then just take a bronzer that you have and just sort of put that all over your eye to just add a little bit of color to your face. So since I'm just sort of getting ready to film a YouTube video, I'm not going to go all out, but for the events in the wedding, you know what's going to happen. So the other thing that makes this wedding special is that I also know the groom. Although we're not super good friends, but we did go to the same school, so we've known each other for over a decade now. Now I'm going to go in with the Color Bar mascara just to give my lashes a little bit of life. Every time I use mascara, I end up poking myself in the eye. I'm gonna try not to do that on camera. Alright, my eyes are done. It's time to add some color. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this bronzer, just add a little bit of definition because right now my face looks super flat. Now it's time for blush. So just a little bit of this and then we're done. The thing about blush is if you go overboard, you risk looking like a clown. I completely forgot to put bronzer over here, down here. And that's it. I'm ready for the next video. Finally, I completely forgot about my lips. I was like, हाँ हो गया makeup, but I'm going to be using Smashbox Gulabe. I don't have a lip liner nearby. I wish I did. I'm just going to give this a minute to dry. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm done with my makeup. This is just what I did to get ready to film another bunch of videos for you all. Hopefully you enjoyed it, you enjoyed the haul. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!